Hi everyone! Do you know the fastest way to learn English?
This method helps you think in English and speak with confidence.
Today's topic is at the grocery store. So, let's practice real-life English conversation step by step.
Hello? Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for some groceries.
Sure. What do you need?
I need rice and vegetables.
Rice is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Vegetables are near the entrance.
That's helpful.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
This store is very popular.
I can see why.
The prices are reasonable.
That's great.
What vegetables do you need?
I need potatoes and onions.
They are fresh today.
That's good to hear.
Do you need fruits as well?
Yes, I need apples.
Apples are on sale today.
Really? That's nice.
How many apples do you want?
I want 1 kilogram.
Anything else?
I also need milk.
Milk is in the dairy section.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just around the corner.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you sell bread here?
Yes, fresh bread is available.
Where can I find it?
Near the checkout counter.
That's convenient.
Are you shopping for your family?
Yes, for my family.
How many people are there?
There are 4 people.
Then you may need extra items.
Yes, I think so.
Do you want cooking oil?
Yes, I almost forgot.
Oil is in aisle 5.
Thank you for reminding me.
No problem.
Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
That's good.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, please.
Reusable bags are better.
I agree with you.
They are eco-friendly.
I like that idea.
Are you done shopping?
Almost.
What else do you need?
I need some eggs.
Eggs are kept in the fridge.
I see them now.
Please check the expiration date.
Yes, I always do.
That's a good habit.
The store is very clean.
We try our best.
I enjoy shopping here.
We're happy to hear that.
The checkout line is long.
It moves fast.
That's good.
Thank you for shopping with us.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Please visit again.
I definitely will.
Goodbye.